Hi guys, I'm just going to teach you a quarter turn forward and touch and a back touch. I'm just going to turn around so you can follow me with this particular step. Okay, thank you. So weight is on the left, so we are facing the front, which is at 12 o'clock. So I'm going to turn a quarter right and it's a step forward. It's not like a turn where we're just going to turn like that. We turn but we step forward. So quarter forward and touch and back and touch. Okay, that step again. Weight's on the left, so we turn a quarter right, so quarter right and touch and back and touch. Well, let's just go right around the room. Okay, so quarter right and touch, back and touch, quarter right and touch, back and touch, quarter right forward and touch, and back and touch. So we're round back to the front now. So this particular step is we're turning a quarter right, forward and touch. So quarter right forward and touch, back, touch. From the front again, quarter right forward and touch, back, touch. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.